It's been 8 days that I've been using Aura's Repricer. You'll excuse my head, like you'll excuse my face. I'm really tired, okay? Long week. Tomorrow I'm leaving to ASD. I'm recording this video in advance just so you guys can have an update of what's going on with the new Repricer, my new Repricer, which is Aura. All right, so if you don't know what's going on, I'll recap. There's a full playlist, okay, that you can check. Probably here. I will forget to do it. I will forget to put it. If you actually want to watch the other videos in the playlist, just leave a comment and let me know if it's not there. And at that point, I will add it. If you do not want to look at those videos, do not ask me, okay? I'm tired. I do not want to do that extra work. I do not want to add it over there. You can literally search it by yourself. So please, if really you cannot find it, let me know and I'll send it and I'll add it over there, all right? So I switched my repricer. I went from Bqool to Aura to test, and my next move is to actually go with to actually go with SalesSnap. All right. So if you do not remember why, it's because there's a lot of things. There's a lot of things with Bqool that I was trying to fix, and there was a lot of things that were a little bit hard to do with what I wanted to do. Is Bqool a bad repricer? No, absolutely not. Is Aura really good at what I'm looking for in a repricer right now? Yes, it's amazing, but, I've been feeling like there are some downside. Okay, so first, the positive. And the downsides are not bad, but there are some stuff, okay, that I want to talk. And there's a lot of good things that I'm going to talk about. And actually, first, I'll start with the bad stuff. So, regarding the bad stuff, Aura has been, you know, not as, I would say it this way, not as aggressive as I wanted to get me out of sales, because I'm not going to lie. It really feels like my sales on a few ASINs may have been slowing down a little bit, you know? So that's one thing. On another end, and we just had, okay, so I guess we're going to finish the video just like this, okay? You guys know, okay, we just had a power outage. I have no idea what's going on. That's fine. So, you know it is no edit, and I need to shoot this video, so that's fine. We'll make it work like this. So, yeah, so with Aura, we had, and you'll see the power turn back on by itself. So with Aura, we had a small issue. We had a small issue with, not an issue, and I'm sorry I was losing my words. Not an issue, but we had some, as I said, the repressor was not doing, is not really pushing a lot for sales, so the sales have been slowing down a little bit. However, the really good thing with Aura is that it has been getting me a ton of sales above the buy box, and it's actually amazing. Like, the really great thing with Aura right now is that my average return on investment for the month, so right now it is, and you're not going to see anything because here we go, actually perfect timing. The issue with Aura is, and everything is turning back on. Here we go. I'm really sorry. The issue with Aura is that there's like some huge thunderstorm today, and so yeah. So the really big thing, like so far this month, it's the third of the month, all right. And so far my average return on investment on my sales is 84.92%, if I remember correctly. I checked right before I actually made this video, you know? So, and yeah, of course, there was that power outage. The TV just turned back on whenever, and I'm going to take you guys with me because the TV just turned back on. But yeah, so there was that issue, there was that thing that was going on, and actually the return on investment is actually really good. But yes, the return on investment is really good, but the sales have been slowing down a little bit, which is not that big of a deal. And this video is all over the place. That's fine. Who cares? I know that you guys love these raw videos, you know. But yeah, the sales have been slowing down a little bit, yes. But the amount of sales above the buy box that I've been getting is actually crazy. And I've never been so I was able to get some sales above the buy box on some ASINs that I knew really well and that I was deep in stock. But I had to do a lot of things to be able to actually get to that point with Bqool. With Aura, with Aura's Repricer, like the amount of sales that I actually get above the buy box is crazy. However, because of that, my sales are slowing down a little bit. But with a return on investment like this, I mean, I don't know. To be honest, usually I look at my numbers every single Monday. For the past 2, 3 weeks, I've been really, really busy with other projects and with other stuff, just with other stuff around. And you guys will soon, I don't know if you guys will know about it some days, but there's a lot of stuff that I've been really busy on these last weeks. And so we are not tracking the numbers we are not tracking the Amazon business as much as we usually do. So I'm not able, I haven't really looked at, the average, you know, the average, not the average, but the sales through rate that we've been getting on the account. You know, so I haven't really been looking at it. So that's one thing, but I can see that my sales have been slowing down, and I will need to actually look at my inventory turnover rate to actually get an answer regarding this, and I will, absolutely I will, because I need to catch back with my numbers month to month, not month to month, but week to week, to actually see, to actually track. We've not just been doing it a lot. I've not been looking at it and analyzing it. And as I said, this is something that you should absolutely do every single week in your business. And I actually have a video on that, but I haven't been doing it personally, you know, which is an issue. So I haven't been doing it personally these last few days, so that's an issue. But yeah, that's what's going on with Aura right now. I'm pretty pleased. What I need is to find a way to maybe or create a rule that maybe, and I don't know if there's such a thing as conditional repricing rule. One thing that I really like with Bqool is that you can set it so if you haven't had sale on a specific ASIN for X amount of time, you can actually reprice differently. And I don't know if you can actually do this on Aura, but I'm pretty pleased with Aura right now with the amount of with not thinking the price, and like, you know, my minimum price is set at 30% return on investment on every single one of my ASIN, and instead of thinking the price, the AI is actually getting me sales above the buy box, which is like, it's amazing, you know, like we all want to make more money. And so yeah, by the way, so that's the end of the video. That's the end of the catch up on Aura and Bqool and all that repricing stuff if you want to. By the way, and yes, you can leave. By the way, yeah, just subscribe, like this video. This is the end of the regular video, and now we are going to talk a little bit with people that are watching the channel, that are real watcher of the channel. You know, it's just between you and me right now. Know that all the guys that are just here quickly have left. You know, I know in the last few days, my head, like I'm really, really tired. I know that, you know, with posting videos daily and all that stuff, sometimes, you know, I know when I'm not 100%. Sometimes it's really hard to be 100% all the time, you know, and so my head, it's really, really blurry in my head sometimes. So when I may have been trying to explain, and like right now, I'm actually really tired, so it's actually really hard. You know, I know, okay, some of the videos for the daily watcher, some of the videos that I've been releasing, some of them I'm really tired. Stuff is a little bit blurry in my head, and so I have a hard time trying to explain everything as thoroughly as I usually do, you know? So yeah, so just if you've noticed, I'm sorry, okay? I'm trying my best. Of course, there's high and there's lows, you know, like not every single video, every single day is going to be 100%, especially if you do like daily videos, you know? So just so you know, I'm a little bit tired, and the videos that I'm going to release at ASD, it's going to be videos just like this one shot on this camera. So yeah, you know what? I'll see you when I see you.